guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tyler. We're driving the Sandworm currently. This video is going to be a little different than the normal ones. This will be my first solo camping trip, kind of solo. We got Duke back here to tag along, keep me warm in the winter days. Big old fur ball. But anyways, that's too bouncy. Today is Thursday, Thanksgiving. We're heading down to Texas to have Thanksgiving with my mom, and then after we hang out for a bit and eat, we are going back into Oklahoma where I have a fishing license so I can fish, and we're gonna camp at Broken Bow. So never been to Broken Bow, never been camping by myself without other people. I do have the dog with me, but it's 7:30 now. We stopped for a little bit of Starbucks coffee. He didn't get a pup cup because he's got an upset tummy. But this video, I don't know how long it's gonna be. I'm just kind of winging it as I go. I don't know if, I don't know. I'm gonna try to make this a good camping video though. Something enjoyable for you guys with a little bit of B-roll, the trip going there, some B-roll setting the camp up, things like that. We'll see how it goes, and you guys will have to let me know in the comments if you like to see this type of stuff, because I'll keep doing it. I enjoy camping. I enjoy loading the truck up with gear and stuff, so it's fun. But anyways, I'm gonna hit the road, play some music for a bit, and I'll check in soon. Alright guys, so we made it to the campsite last night, late at night. I didn't record anything because I was trying to get the tent set up, struggling. Wasn't too bad until the heater ran out of propane, and then I froze. And then woke up at like 6 a.m. because dog here got sick and liquid shit all over the tent, so I had to clean that up. So keeping an eye on him, making sure he's feeling better, but it was not the best first night, but everything's going smoothly now. It's 10 a.m. Got a fire going, got me some coffee made, about to put some music on, and might go fishing here in a bit. But stay tuned. I'm gonna add in some drone footage of the campsite, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Alright guys, so we left the campsite to go explore the area here in the Ouachita Mountains. Used Onyx, found some trails. I'm gonna set the GoPros up and, you know, kind of just get some footage of these trails. They're not very technical. There's just you know, tight one car space. Like my truck is almost too wide for them. Anything wider probably wouldn't fit without scratching the paint and stuff. So just a lot of nature trails, more dirt road with tight trees and stuff. So I'm gonna get the GoPro set up, let Duke run around for a minute and explore, and then hit the trails and then go to the next trail. So I had fun camping, was gonna camp one more night, but Duke is sick, so I kind of want to be home in case he's not getting better and needs to go to the vet. So cut the trip short. So I'm gonna add some B-roll on the way home, and then that'll be it for this video. But I plan to do a little, let me know what you guys think about this video, these types of videos, if you like these, or what I need to do different, things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get Duke home, get him better, and then going to add some B-roll here at the end. So appreciate you guys sticking around. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.